Hello, so in this video I will be sharing a recipe of a summer drink that I found on another channel on YouTube. I will link the original video in the description box. So the first thing, I took 4 pieces of Oreos and crushed them. Then I took other 4 pieces, but this time I will be separating the biscuit part from the cream part. After I'm done separating the cream from the Oreos, I will take the Oreo biscuits and crush them too. I took the glass where I will be making my drink and I poured some chocolate syrup in it. And I added 2 ice cubes into the glass, and then I took some vanilla ice cream. So you can choose any ice cream you want. I chose vanilla and also pistachio ice cream. So on top of the ice cream, I will add some of the Oreos I crushed at the beginning. I will also throw in the cream that I separated from the Oreo biscuits. Then I poured some orange juice. Hope you like it.